Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Facebook profile picture. What you need to do. First, just go to Facebook and log in your account and then click on your profile, and here click on the camera, and then you can choose any photo. For example, if I choose this one, description I don't need, and then I click here save, but I don't want to change it. This is what you need to do if you want to change Facebook profile picture. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet, and if you have any question, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.